Hi, I'm Trevor Pedersen with the Pedersen Law Office located in the Fox Valley of Wisconsin. A common question I get from people is how to deal with problems they see on their credit report that they believe are incorrect and they wish to dispute them. If you want to dispute something on your credit report, you've got two options. The first option is to dispute it directly with the creditor. To do that, you send them a letter stating that you're disputing the debt that's on the credit report, probably give them a copy of the report to show what the debt is you're disputing, and then also provide them other information that you believe proves that the debt is incorrectly listed. They have a certain amount of time to respond back. It's usually about 30 days, saying they agree with you or they disagree with you and their reasoning why. If they agree with you, they are required to change all of the credit bureaus that they report to and show that debt correctly listed. If, on the other hand, they ignore you, the other option you have is to dispute the debt directly with the credit bureau. To dispute the debt with the credit bureau, you actually have to send them a letter stating that you dispute this debt and your reasoning why. Once again, it has to be in writing. Also, it's always a good idea to send that credit report, even if it is the one from that bureau, showing what debt you are disputing so they have no question of which one you're talking about. Also, again, it's good to provide the paperwork showing or providing proof of why you think you're correct and that debt is disputed. Anytime a credit bureau gets a reasonable dispute against one of the debts listed, they're required to do an investigation. Obviously, the first thing they do is contact the creditor saying, hey, is this debt correctly listed or are they correct in this dispute? If that creditor does not respond to them, then they have no choice but to make the change you're requesting because there's nobody saying you're wrong. If you go through and you do these investigations or disputes and you find out that the debts are listed correctly and your credit is actually in a pretty bad condition, it might be time to come talk with a guy like me to look into maybe a bankruptcy or here in Wisconsin, a Section 128 debt repayment program. Once again, I'm attorney Trevor Pedersen with the Pedersen Law Office.